Okay guys, I got this big box in the mail today.
Cool.
It's for my Toyota MR2 Spyder. Let's see what all we got. I'm not. Okay, the first thing I got was a cigarette lighter.
Ew, why?
This actually smells like someone smoked in it.
Or Hallie, eat your sandwich.
But we will clean it out, make it look great. Okay, the second box got the climate control. This one's in really good condition. I also got the used carpet the next day. It's actually in pretty good shape. A lot better than the one that I had in there. I took out the old carpet and it had some mold and mildew, so I cleaned that all out and vacuumed up all the stuff that was on the ground or on the floorboard, and now I just need to install it. Okay, YouTube, so I got the new carpet installed. Looks a lot better. And I also installed the new dash. Both of these are very clean. No rips or tears or anything, just need to clean them a little bit better. Carpet's in really good shape. I'll probably get some floor liners. But yeah, that's my update for now. I still got a ton of screws to put in, center console, speedo, radio, climate control, wheel, all that fun stuff. But the hard stuff's over with. So if you have any questions about removing the dash, something that was kind of hard for me is these things need to come off on both sides. And carpet's pretty easy to do. You want to unscrew these right here, those 6 screws, and then just pull the carpet out. It's pretty easy to do though. And yeah, the dash, when you're removing it, just kind of make sure you want to pull it out this way. So you want to kind of yank on it like this and it'll just come out. And it's best to remove the steering wheel when you do it. So if you have any questions though, post in the comments. But so far I'm liking how it's turning out, and I look forward to posting some more videos for you guys.